Welcome to the assembly instructions video of this Panda Baby Walker. The box of this walker contains the main walker body, a cushion seat, 6 wheels, a rattle toy and a parental control handle. Take the seat and push the extensions in the slot provided on the walker top to firmly fit the seat. Insert the 2 buttons in the slots on either side of the walker. Insert the 3 buttons in the slots present in the front of the walker to fix the seat. Detach the musical tray from the walker using a screwdriver. Unscrew the screws from the tray using a screwdriver and insert 2 AA batteries in the slots provided. Place the rattle toy in the slot provided. Place the 6 wheels in the slots on the bottom of the walker. Finally fit the parental handle in the slot provided at the back of the walker. And this baby walker is ready for use.